difficulties in the
Doctors have their problem. There are shortage of doctors, everything. So they were putting forward their problems to me. So I told them tomorrow evening I'm getting Deputy CM, our Health Minister, and we'll sit and sort out everything. They're even having security problems. See, that incident happened that day, there was nobody to take care of it. Good, nobody was manhandled. If something did happen, it would have been a big problem. So security measures also are a must for doctors because they do the best. Even in spite they are less in numbers, but still 24 hours they work here. So there should be some security for them. They just told me all the problems. So tomorrow I'll get the Honorable Deputy CM and solve out all the problems.
if there are 24 hours duty
There is shortage, so they also understand, doctors also understand there is a shortage. They give their best. So it is not that they leave the patient and they go. They see that the patient is attended to and then they leave. Now see, Morga Lagano, GSIDC has already put up a proposal. So now very soon they take up the work to be done. At the Ekumar Salamate TB hospital. I think I body full. But this work will be taken up soon by GSIDC.